the last 50 years, we've lost 68% of all wildlife globally, and by 2050, Africa's population is going to double, creating even more economic, social, and climate pressures than ever before. Many organizations are working to protect wildlife and affected communities, but using spreadsheets and pen to paper makes them inefficient. We can change all of that with a very simple solution. Our software provides tools such as project management, data analysis, communications, and surveying to achieve total transparency and accountability. This allows local communities to decide their priority projects and the supporting organizations to track how funds are used. A partnership that will measure impact and unlock additional revenue or funding. And in measuring environmental, social, and economic-based activities will help achieve the UN Sustainable Development Goals at scale. We are initially operating in an African market size of 250,000 plus organizations within the NGO, private, and conservation sectors in order to accelerate the changes needed for our planet and people.
From a commercial standpoint, Baotree is a for-profit software as a service business. We believe that by creating a sustainable business, we will enable the most amount of impact over the longest period of time, while still incentivizing shareholders and employees. Our addressable market covers both public and private sectors. On the public side, we're working with global organizations looking to solve the world's biggest problems, such as biodiversity preservation, human development, and others. On the private side, we're working with companies looking to become best in class in the areas of environmental, social, and governance.
Our software as it stands does two things very well. One, it allows people to capture data and collect that data in real time in the field. And two, it allows administrators and customers to approve and verify this information as it comes through into their administrative dashboard. This round of funding is going to be an absolute moonshot for product. What does it mean? We're going to be able to add collaboration tools which allow all customers to be able to work together towards a common good. We're going to add surveying and two-way communication tools for communities to better give feedback to our customers, and for our customers, sort of partners and employees in the field, to be able to better interact with each other in real time. A huge thing that we've got to look at is BI and analytics tools for our customers to better make sense of what's happening in the field, what they're getting up to, and how to better optimize.
Over the last year and a half, we have built the initial team, built the foundational technology stack, and acquired our first customers. And this fundraising will allow us to take it to the next level.
Join us in this journey of collaboration, connection, and co-creation. And thank you from Kenya.